Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have already opened my Photoshop. Now let's add the image and start cropping. Now right-click on the layer and convert this layer into a smart object, and then double-click right here. Now you can see you have two files. Let's start cropping first. Select the cropping tools, and I only want this yellow circle, so I will crop this. So once you are done with the cropping, then do Control S on Window or Command S on Mac, because if you don't save the file, then you will not see any change on the main file. So save it and you can see the crop. That's how you can crop in Photoshop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you want to know how to create a rectangle in Photoshop, then watch this video, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you